Hi, my name's Pete Christofferson, and today I'm going to walk you through the installation of an automatic drain to our 1920 series thermostatic pressure balancing shower valve. This separate drain added to the valve is designed to remove stagnant water, where pathogens can grow, from the shower valve and pipes. Before you install the drain, be sure to rough in the shower valve according to our instructions. The center line of the inlet and outlet ports of the valve must be between 2.5 and 3.5 inches from the finished wall surface. Make sure the valve is plumb and level with the stops and the cartridge is securely in place. Pressurize the valve and test for leaks at all the connections. Determine the location for your drain. It can be positioned 6 to 12 inches below the valve. With the drain placement determined, cut and install the drain pipe with elbow. The connection for the drain should be 1/2 inch diameter with 14 NPT thread for drain installation. With the drain pipe installed, apply seal tape and install the drain elbow. Now install the drain with the included gasket. The automatic drain assembly is now attached to the 1920 series shower valve, and the valve is ready to be trimmed out to complete the installation. For more information on our shower systems, please visit ChicagoFaucets.com.